abandoned building over here. We're about to go explore it. It looks creepy. Here's a body reveal. There's a random tarp on the ground. Soon the sun will change and my shadow will go away. Looks like something's already been here. Is that stinging nettle? No, it's not. There's absolutely nothing. Oh, this. I can push this. I wonder if there's an entrance. Let's go see. There's an entrance right there. Sort of.
I'm small
Kind
enough.
of.
I could be small enough to get through. Yeah,
I'm gonna peek the phone inside and then you can try to go in.
I'm really
if you want. Look at that.
We're gonna be murdered.
I'm really small.
Jeff the killer! Oh, they really need to mow this lawn. Maybe we can just peek through here.
Barely.
I can't.
I'm gonna peek through the big hole that I thought I could.
No.
There's a white thing. I don't know if that's a mattress.
I mean, we could peek.
Bird and the bees. See y'all next time.